One of my favorite holidays is coming up, Samhain, or as many people know it, Halloween. My favorite Halloween treats to bake are salt cakes. They have a pretty interesting history, which I will outline in the description below if you're interested. For this salt cake recipe, you will need 450 grams all-purpose flour, 10 grams baking powder, cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves, and ginger to taste, a pinch of salt, 180 grams of powdered sugar, 170 grams butter, 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, 135 milliliters of milk, 1 egg yolk, 100 grams of raisins, 100 grams dried cranberries, 100 grams of candied orange peels. Your butter should be on room temperature so that it's soft. Use an electric mixer and cream the butter. Sift the powdered sugar in and mix until combined. The mixture should be smooth, pale, and fluffy. Add the Greek yogurt and the egg yolk and mix until combined. Add the baking powder and the spices to the flour. Sift it in and mix the dough by hand. I opted for a wooden spoon since the dough is on the tougher side. When the flour is mixed in, add the milk and continue mixing by hand. Add the dried fruit at the end. Let the dough rest in the freezer for around 15 to 20 minutes. Now it's time to roll out the dough and shape the cakes. Dust your worktop and rolling pin with some flour. Knead the dough just enough to be able to shape it into a ball. Roll out the dough. It should be around 1 centimeter thick. If you don't have a round mold like me, you can use anything else, a glass, a cup, or whatever you have at hand. I like to smooth out the edges a bit so that they look nicer once done. Use a knife and cut across into the top of each cake. Brush them with milk and sprinkle some granulated sugar on top. Bake them at 220 degrees Celsius for around 22 to 25 minutes until they are puffed and golden. Happy Halloween or Samhain, whichever one you celebrate. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe and like button. I really appreciate your support.